Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the differences between CloudFlare and NameCheap, two popular tools for managing your website. Stick around to find out which one suits your needs. First up, CloudFlare. It's primarily known for its content delivery network, CDN, and security features like DDoS protection, a web application firewall, and free SSL. If speeding up your website and keeping it secure is your top priority, CloudFlare is a great choice. The free plan is excellent for personal or small businesses website, while the paid plan offers advanced features like image optimization, load balancing, and prioritized customer support. Now let's talk about Namecheap. It's primarily a domain registrar, but they also offer budget-friendly web hosting and DNS management. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to register a domain and host your site, Namecheap is a solid pick. Namecheap's DNS is easy to set up and their pricing is transparent with no hidden fees. Perfect for beginners. So which one is right for you? Use Cloudflare if you already have a website and need better performance and security. Go with Namecheap if you are starting from scratch and need an affordable domain and hosting package. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.